Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Polar area problems look scary, but we can solve this quickly by subtracting the inner curve from the outer curve. Let's find that shaded region. First, we set up our integral from 0 to pi. We use the formula 1/2 times the integral of the outer radius squared minus the inner radius squared. Let's go. Now we square our functions to get 16 sine squared cosine fourth minus 4 sine squared cosine fourth. This simplifies down to 12 sine squared theta times cosine to the fourth power. Finally, integrate over the interval. Multiplying by the 1/2 constant yields 3 pi over 8, which equals 1.178. Well done! Option C is correct. Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and trust given values to avoid a rush.